In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the latest version of Python on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. Python is one of the world's most popular programming languages, used for everything from web development and data science to AI and simple scripting. Its easy-to-learn syntax makes it a perfect choice for beginners and a powerful tool for professionals. To get started, open your browser and head to python.org. Hover over the Downloads tab, then click the button that displays the latest Python version available. Once the installer has downloaded, run it. Now, this next step is very important. Check the boxes for Use Admin Privileges and add python.exe to path. This ensures Python works correctly from anywhere on your system. Then click Install Now. Click Yes on the security prompt, and the installation will proceed. Once the setup is finished, you'll see a Setup was successful message.